Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build strength and get stronger every day, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the best exercises that will help you build strength and achieve your fitness goals. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Let's get started. Building strength is all about targeting the right muscles and using the most effective exercises. So let's go over the best exercises that will give you maximum results. 1. Deadlift. First up, we have the deadlift. This is one of the most powerful exercises you can do to build full-body strength. It works your hamstrings, lower back, glutes, and core. Start with a weight that's manageable and focus on your form. Deadlifts will not only increase your strength, but also improve your posture and overall power. 2. Squats. Next, we have squats. Squats are fantastic for building strength in your legs, glutes, and core. You can do body weight squats or add weight with a barbell or dumbbells. Squats are a compound movement, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups, making them highly effective for building strength. 3. Bench press. The bench press is the go-to exercise for building upper body strength, specifically targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Use a barbell or dumbbells and make sure to control the weight throughout the movement for maximum benefit. 4. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are an incredible body weight exercise for building strength in your back and arms. They work your lats, biceps, and core. If you can't do a pull-up yet, start with assisted pull-ups or use resistance bands to build up your strength. 5. Overhead press. The overhead press targets your shoulders and upper arms, helping to build pressing strength. This can be done with a barbell or dumbbells. Make sure your core is engaged to avoid any lower back strain. So those are some of the best exercises for building strength. Incorporate these into your workout routine and watch your strength improve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more great content. Keep lifting, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.